Hi, and welcome to Wild Think. In this video, we'll be looking at ways to eat healthily on a tight budget, and go through how to prepare nutritious and affordable meals. The misconception that eating healthily is expensive can deter people from making nutritious choices, leading to potential health issues in the long term. But at a time where the cost of living continues to rise, many individuals and families find themselves facing the challenge of maintaining a healthy diet while on a tight budget. However, with careful planning, clever shopping and informed decision-making, it's entirely possible to eat well without breaking the bank. Let's take a look at some ideas. Consider sharing the costs of groceries with family members, roommates, or neighbors. Bulk purchases can be divided among households, reducing individual expenses. Seasonal fruits and vegetables are often more affordable and taste better when they are in season. Additionally, purchasing locally sourced produce can support your community and reduce transportation costs. Meat can be one of the costlier items in a grocery budget. Consider incorporating plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, tofu, and eggs into your meals. When you do buy meat, opt for cheaper cuts or look for sales and discounts. Allocate some time during the week to batch cook and meal prep. Prepare larger quantities of meals and freeze portions for later use. This not only saves time but also ensures you always have a nutritious meal on hand. When grocery shopping, stick to your list and avoid impulsive purchases. Look for sales, discounts, and store brands, which are often more affordable than name brands. Buying items in bulk, such as rice, pasta, and canned goods, can also yield significant savings. You can create a weekly or monthly meal plan that outlines your meals and snacks. This plan should take into account your budget and the ingredients you already have. Planning ahead can help you make more informed and cost-effective choices when grocery shopping. Look for coupons, digital deals, and cashback offers for the products you regularly buy. There are various apps and websites that make finding discounts easier. Frozen and canned fruits and vegetables are convenient, have a longer shelf life, and are often more budget-friendly than fresh options. Be mindful of added sugars or sodium in canned goods and choose products with no or reduced additives. Preparing meals at home is typically more cost-effective than dining out or ordering takeout. Cooking allows you to control the ingredients and portion sizes, making it easier to eat healthily. Invest time in learning about nutrition and healthy cooking. There are numerous online resources, cookbooks, and cooking classes that can help you develop culinary skills and make nutritious meals. Processed and convenience foods are often more expensive and less nutritious than homemade meals. Reducing your consumption of these items can free up funds for healthier choices. If you are eligible, consider enrolling in government assistance programs if they are available in your country. These provide financial assistance for purchasing nutritious foods. Some communities offer food banks, pantries, and meal programs for individuals and families in need. These resources can provide temporary support during challenging times. Sugary drinks like soda and excessive consumption of juices can add unnecessary costs and calories to your diet. Opt for water, which is not only healthier but also more budget-friendly. Also, take a look at the red, amber and green signs on packaging. Red tends to be less healthy, whereas green items will contain less fat, sugar and salt. Minimize your food waste by using leftovers creatively, storing food properly, and adhering to expiration dates. Wasting less food can save money and reduce environmental impact. If you have space and time, consider starting a small vegetable garden. Growing your own produce can be a cost-effective way to access fresh, organic ingredients. When making choices on a limited budget, prioritize nutrient-dense foods that offer essential vitamins and minerals per calorie. These include vegetables, fruits, pulses, nuts, seeds, dairy products, fish and lean meats. These include items like brown rice, oats, beans, and leafy greens. Explore local ethnic or international markets, as they often offer a wide variety of affordable and unique ingredients. You may find cost-effective options for spices, grains, and produce. Keep an eye on sales cycles and promotions at your local grocery stores. Many stores have regular sales on staple items like grains, canned goods, and frozen foods. Online communities and social media groups dedicated to frugal and healthy eating can provide valuable tips, recipes, and support from like-minded individuals. So, let's consider the importance of healthy eating on a budget, and look at some of the barriers that may be stopping you from doing this. Eating a balanced and nutritious diet is crucial for maintaining our overall health and well-being. It can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, improve energy levels, enhance cognitive function, and promote a strong immune system. A diet which is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats provides essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that support physical and mental health. But many people believe that eating healthily is expensive and that it is more cost-effective to rely on processed or fast food options. This misunderstanding can lead to some poor dietary choices, contributing to health problems and even escalating healthcare costs in the long term. Therefore, it is essential to recognize that healthy eating is an investment in yourself and a way to prevent potential health-related expenses down the road. But there can be a number of barriers that can make it challenging for individuals and families on tight budgets to access and afford healthy foods. Busy schedules can make it difficult to plan and prepare healthy meals, leading individuals to opt for fast and processed foods. Heavily marketed unhealthy foods are often cheaper and more accessible. This can encourage their consumption. There may be limited financial resources. A low income or tight budget can restrict the amount of money available for groceries and food. A lack of culinary knowledge and cooking skills can deter people from preparing homemade, nutritious meals. Some areas can lack access to affordable, fresh, and nutritious foods. In such areas, convenience stores and fast food chains may be the primary food options. Despite these barriers, there are ways that individuals and families can implement to prioritize healthy eating without compromising their budgets, and we have already looked at some practical ideas. Overcoming the barriers to healthy eating may require some effort and creativity, but the rewards in terms of improved health and financial savings make it a worthwhile endeavor. Eating healthily on a tight budget is not only possible, but essential for maintaining long-term health and well-being. By adopting a proactive approach to meal planning, shopping wisely, and making informed choices, individuals and families can prioritize nutritious foods while managing their finances effectively. Ultimately, investing in a healthy diet is an investment in your future, ensuring that you can enjoy a vibrant and fulfilling life. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to the Wild Think page.